Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we coloring alphabet A to Z. First we are using blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we using blue color and we coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball and B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. We again use blue color. The alphabet of D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. G for gorilla. Kids, subscribe to our channel. And the next one is H. Now we're using the color of blue. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Subscribe to our channel. K for kite. K for kangaroo. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're using red color. Now we're mixing the color of red. Kids, now we coloring L. L for lion, L for lemon. We again use red color and now we coloring the alphabet of M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. Kids, subscribe to our channel. O for octopus. The next one is P. P for penguin. P for parrot. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Subscribe to our channel. Now we coloring the alphabet of Q. The next one is R. R for rose. R for rose, R for rice. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. The next one is S. S for snack. T for teacher. And U for umbrella. We again using red color. V for vanilla. And the next one is W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for X-ray. Y for yak. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we coloring alphabet A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.